Guys, we're gonna do the unboxing and review of this Ninja Foodi Grill coming up. This is Cooking with CJ, the show about cooking, drinking, barbecue, and all the other stuff that goes along with it. I am not a chef, I am not a bartender, I am not a pit master, but I play all three on TV. I'm gonna show you how to make quick, easy, tasty recipes and have a little bit of fun along the way. So let's get this party started. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. And today I have an exciting video for you today. I'm excited to do it. This is kind of like we're going back in time, but we're starting at the beginning. Yeah, come along with that. I was given this Ninja Foodi Grill to try out, work with the Shark Ninja company to, work on recipes, tell them what I like about it, what I don't like about it, come up with some things, maybe be involved with one of their projects, so there was some things going on there. But I haven't been able to talk about this for a long time. Now the infomercial's out. You guys know about the Ninja Foodi Grill. So now I can break my silence. Get the weight off my shoulders. Not only with this video that I'm dropping, I'm gonna drop many more videos that have to do with the Ninja Foodi Grill in the next few days, all right? So I wanna make sure that, I put a lot of hard work into this, and I wanna make sure you guys see what I've been able to do with it. I've done baking, I've done obviously grilling, I've done the air crisp. I've done so much with this thing, and there's still stuff I haven't been able to do yet. Let me kind of go back in time to when I first got this. I'll open it up for you. We'll go through it. I'll show you, all the parts that come out with it. I'll show you cleaning it up, because you got to wash these items as they come to you. Just a few things. I'll show you a couple cooks that I've done on it, just real quick snippets of it. I've been waiting to do this video for a while. Okay, I've shot little clips along the way. I love this thing. All right, there's not too many gadgets that come along that I get excited about. Okay, I am a barbecue guy. I like spending my time outdoors. I'd rather be using my barrel smoker or my old kettle, or the offset that I have. I love barbecuing, smoking meats, okay? But this right here has changed the game a little bit on what I want to do. I am digging this grill. It's grilling indoors. Like, I have been searching to do this. I have many videos with the Ninja Foodi itself, the air crisp plus pressure cooker. I've done many videos where I'd cook something outside and cook it in the Ninja Foodi, and try to bring the outdoors in, the barbecue aspect of it in. And now I have the opportunity to do that just right now with my Ninja Foodi Grill. All right, so I don't have to do something outside and then try to show you how to do it inside. Now I'm just doing it inside, showing you how to do it on the inside. It's just awesome. All right, so just bear with me on this one. Believe me when I say you will dig this thing. Just going through the little things it does. Obviously it grills. That is their main function. But it air crisps too. It dehydrates too. It bakes. I made brownies in this thing. You believe that? You can roast things in it. You can roast a small chicken in it. I haven't got to that point yet, but damn right I'm going to do it. All right. It's exciting to me what you can do here. And I've cooked many things in this already. Not once have I had an issue with smoke. This thing is virtually smokeless. All right. Now you have instructions on what oils to use if you're going to use oil. All right. And it gives you the proper instructions you'll need to make it so it stays pretty much smokeless. I tell you what, we'll go through the unboxing of it real quick. We'll go through the cleaning of it real quick. After the cleaning of it, I'll show you some clips of some of the stuff I cooked. Just trust me, you'll dig it. You'll understand what I'm saying when I tell you this is awesome. All right, you're going to love this thing. We'll get back over here and we'll have a discussion about the pros and cons and so on and so forth. All right, come on back. All right, let's get this bad boy open. All right, there's an instruction packet. All the owner's guide. The Ninja Foodi Grill comes with a bunch of instructions, gives us a little recipe guide, a little product information, owner's guide, what's in the box, how to maximize your flavors and minimize smoke by using the correct oils, power cord, is our grill plate. This is what we're gonna make all our grilled items on. Feels nice, I like it. Gotta love it. Comes with a grill brush. Oh, that's awesome. Comes with some skewers. Dig it. Cool little spatula. Oh yeah. Got the tongs. Use the plastic to lift it out. Get through the rest of this. The basket. So there's your pan. So what you see here is this little groove. Fits right over this. Here's the fry basket. Again, it has these little grooves on each side, so it can go either way in here. Alright, up here is the splash guard. This keeps the heating element from getting too greasy. All right, guys, we're back. So you've had a chance to see, kind of all the moving parts of this thing. You've had a chance to, see how the unboxing went, see a couple of the cooks I've done. I just want to go over some of the pros and cons. There are way many more pros than cons. So I'm going to list a couple cons first. One, it's a bit loud. All right, so this isn't the quietest appliance you'll have in your arsenal here, but again, this thing is, they call it cyclone technology, so there's a lot of heated air moving in there. So it is what it is. It's it's a big old fan going in there in a contained space. It's gonna make a little bit of noise. You deal with it. The microwave makes noise. It is what it is. All right. Second thing is the grill grates that come in this. You got to store it separately because you cannot put the air crisp basket in there and the pan in there and the grill grate in there at the same time. I said something to the Shark Ninja team about that. It's kind of like having the Ninja Foodi pressure cooker air crisp feature where you need to store the lid separately. Well, you're gonna need to store the grill grate separately. It just is what it is. I'm willing to do it for this thing. It is. I am enjoying this so much. I can't even tell you. So the pros, obviously, you're grilling indoors. A lot of places across the country, you have an apartment or it's too cold outside, whatever. You can grill inside. You get the grill flavor. I've done steaks on this many times. Nice clean ribeyes, and they've turned out wonderful. They get that nice grill mark on there, that nice char. So you're not missing much with this. No smoke comes out of this at all. I film up close to the lid to make sure no smoke's coming out. I've had no issues. Again, this comes with an instruction booklet to tell you what oils to use, so you're not using a low smoke point oil. So you pay attention to the instructions, you'll be good to go, just like anything else. I've baked in this, I've grilled in this, air crisped in this. The only thing I haven't done was dehydrate anything yet. I'm looking to do some beef jerky soon, and I'm gonna roast a small chicken in this. It has all these functions. You're gonna dig it. Trust me on that. Guys, look for many, many more cooks out of this. I'm really enjoying it for sure. If you have any questions about it, put it in the comment section below. I'll answer what I can off of my experiences with it for the last few months, or I'll get in touch with Shark Ninja and get you an answer. If you would like to get one of these, hit the link below. I'll have an Amazon link for this. Obviously, you're interested in this, or you either bought it or you want to buy one. So you might as well buy one from my Amazon account. Again, you don't pay anything more for it, but it goes to the channel. All right, little extra, little itty bitty from Amazon goes to the channel. So if you're gonna do it, do it. All right, that's it for today, guys. Again, any questions, hit them below. Thanks for stopping by. I hope you're looking forward to the videos that I put out with this as much as I'm looking forward to making them. We'll see you next time. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.